country as a dedicated Knight of Rizal and their active involvement in the various activities of the order, all of which services were rendered and done in the manner of a true Rizalist, selfless and dedicated, thereby bringing honor to the Knights of Rizal and contributing immensely to the attainment of its lofty goals and for the greater glory of his country and of the society. Indeed, their worthy deeds and laudable accomplishments present them as an epitome of Rizalian values of excellence, integrity, selflessness, and innovation towards ushering the Philippines with a wide road of progress. In fitting tribute, grateful recognition and appreciation of their exemplary effort to pursue the vision and imbibe the values of the Knights of Rizal and surrounding its charter and bylaws, this degree is given, conferred the 7th day of February 2025 during the conduct of the 24th Knight of Rizal International Assembly held at the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino, Tahood, Cebu City, Philippines, signed by Mundo A. del Rosario, KGCR Supreme Commander, attested Sir Joel B. Plano, KGOR, Supreme Corsican. May I call on the following, please come up here on the stage. Sir Perperio Hangdaan, Sir Romulo Victor Isabel, Sir Jose Joseph Leller, KCR, Sir Ernesto Mano, KCR, Sir Francisco Velasquez, KCR.
Again, let's repeat those honorees. Sir Ferberio Hangdaan, KCR. Sir Jose Joseph Leller, KCR. Sir Ernesto Urbano, KCR. Sir Francisco Velasquez, KCR.
Brother Knights, having proven yourself worthy of conferment to the 4th degree with the rank Knight Grand Officer of Rizal, I have the honor and privilege of presenting to you the medallion and insignia of the Knights of Rizal, corresponding to your rank, which you will wear only on the appropriate occasions.
ID mo na. ID na. Hindi, ID mo.
Okay po, ready?
No more.
Totoo, sir.
Felipe Jr. ACR.
Hindi mo kasi ako baliktad.